Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. If you want to set auto reply on WhatsApp message that anyone will send you message and he will receive a auto reply message, I will show you how you can set it. So without wasting time, let's start video. So firstly, open the WhatsApp and then you will see three line on top right. Click on it and then click on setting and then click on business tool, and here you will see greeting message. Click on it and then click on it. After that, click on greeting message and you can see I set a message. Thank you for contracting Z Software Agency. Please let us know how we can help you. You can change it according to you. After changing and writing the message, click on OK and then click on Save Options. Then click on Away Message. Away message is that message when you are not online, anyone will receive a auto reply. Here click on Away Message. You can see my away messages. Thank you for your message. We will respond as soon as possible. You can change according to you. After changing, click on OK. Then you can also set schedule. Here, if you want to set schedule always send, then click on always send. If you want to set it on custom schedule, then here you will write start time. After that, click on end time. Then click on end time. Then click on done. After that, if you want to select recipient that who can receive away message, then you can select from here. If you want to that everyone will receive your away message, then click on everyone. If you want that everyone receive message except these contact, then select these contact and save it. If you want that only away message sent to friends, then those friends which you will select only receive that message. So in this way you can select a recipient, schedule times, away message and greeting message. After changing, click on save options. So in this way you can set auto reply message on WhatsApp. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.